Hey everyone, welcome to the WorkFlow Organizer channel. If you're a wedding photographer, event planner, corporate videographer, or any creative professional who books clients, shoots beautiful work, and then drowns in admin, this video is for you. We are really excited to introduce you to WorkFlow Organizer, the all-in-one business operating system built exactly for people like you. Let me paint the picture most of us know way too well. You're juggling spreadsheets for bookings and availability, sticky notes or random diary entries for client details, timelines and deliverables. Separate apps, or worse, emails, for sending quotes, chasing deposits and tracking payments. Another tool or folder for contracts, questionnaires and inspiration boards from brides and clients. And then, at tax time, you're manually sorting bank statements, trying to figure out income versus expenses and hoping nothing falls through the cracks. Sound familiar? That chaos leads to real stress, missed deadlines because something got lost in translation, double bookings or forgotten follow-ups that lose you clients, late nights chasing payments or fixing invoicing mistakes, constant fear that you're not seeing the full financial picture, how much is actually coming in over the next few months, and worst of all, less time creating the art you love because you're buried in admin. That's exactly why we built WorkFlow Organizer. It's one powerful, secure dashboard that works on your PC, tablet or phone, so you take your entire business with you everywhere. No more switching between 5 different tools, no more lost notes or forgotten tasks. With WorkFlow Organizer you get smart booking and event management, track every job, venue, package, timeline and deliverable in one place so nothing slips. A full client and job hub, all the details, communication history, notes, inspiration boards and questionnaires organized per client or event. Professional branded quotes and invoices created in seconds with automatic tracking of deposits, partial payments, balances, and even quote to booking conversion. Built-in accounting, upload bank statements, categorize income and expenses, see clear reports, and get ready to hand over files for your accountant. Revenue forecasting. Look ahead 12 months and see expected cash flow based on confirmed bookings and invoices, so you can plan with confidence instead of guessing. A secure client portal, your brides, couples, or corporate clients get their own login to view details, upload inspo photos, review and e-sign contracts, fill out questionnaires, and track payments, all without endless email threads. Smart contracts and questionnaires with templates, auto-filled placeholders, and e-signatures built in. Automation that works for you, welcome sequences, payment reminders, thank yous. Set it once and let the system handle client communication so they feel taken care of even when you're shooting. And everything ties together in a clean dashboard that shows your upcoming bookings, current income and expenses, and future revenue at a glance. Your branding, logo, colors, banking details, terms applied automatically across every quote, invoice, and report. Who is this for? Wedding and event photographers tired of chaos, videographers handling corporate gigs or big productions, event planners coordinating multiple vendors and timelines, any creative studio or professional who wants full control without the headache of patchwork tools. WorkFlow Organizer takes the stress away so you can focus on what you do best, creating. If that sounds like the upgrade your business needs, stick around. We're going to dive deep into how it works, real user stories, quick setup guides, and tips to run a smoother, more profitable creative business. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Drop a comment below. Tell me your biggest admin pain point right now. I'd love to hear it and maybe cover it in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching. Let's build better businesses together. See you in the next one.